Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a 99 Nights in the Forest script for Roblox. So this works on iOS and Android, so I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So as you can see, we got all the settings right here, so I'm going to show you guys exactly to get this. So let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, we got all the settings. This is super awesome. So I'm going to show you exactly to download it. So the first thing we got to do is go ahead and go to scriptsking.com. So let me just type this in right here. So it's scriptsking.com. So this is the website where you gotta go ahead and do it. So once you're on the site, guys, what you need to do is go ahead and press the 99 Nights in the Forest script. So as you can see, we got all the scripts right here. So this is super cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and press browse and then choose 99 Nights in the Forest. And now I have to provide my Roblox user ID. So to get the Roblox user ID, go to your player profile URL and then go into the URL and copy the part that's the user ID. So after you do that, you just want to go ahead and go back onto the scriptsking.com and paste it in. Alright, so let me just do that, and then I'm going to go ahead and press continue, and we're just going to wait for it to load. So as you can see, it loaded. So now we just need to choose if we have Delta Executor and then go ahead and press continue. So I'm just going to select a script. So just do this one. And now there is going to be one more step, which is the verification. So you have to download 2 apps and follow the instructions, which are 100% for free from the official App Store. So I'm going to show you exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. So yeah, now it's going to show me the verification thing. So I'm just going to press verify now, and it's going to bring me to the list of apps, and I just got to download like 2 of these and follow the instructions. You do not have to do the same apps as me, just make sure you download 2 of them. So I'm going to do Lumo VPN, so it's going to bring me to the App Store, so I'm going to go ahead and download it. So let's just give it a second. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back onto the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So let me just go ahead and go back on the list. So for me, I'm going to do Travel Town. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to download it. So now I'm going to go to the home screen and just wait for these to download. So they're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So the VPN's already done, so I'm going to run it. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, touching around, whatever. Nothing too crazy, so let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing around with it. So yeah, it's pretty easy, guys. So I'm just going to do this right here so you guys can see. Alright, so yeah, I'm just running it. Should be all set. So let me just do this for a little bit more. And now I'm going to do the other app. So let's go to the home screen. And that's going to be Travel Town. This one's a game. So I just got to run it, just doing some basic interactions. So let me just do that right here so you guys can see. Alright, I'm just playing through it. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Nothing too crazy. So yeah, I'm just going to run this right here, as you can see. Alright, just playing around with it. So yeah, I don't really get too hard. It's pretty easy. So I'm just going to do this right here, as you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing through it. Okay, I'm just going to download this. Not too confusing, so let's just do this right here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just playing around with it. We should be all good to go. So let me just do this. So anyway, once you're done, you should have the 99 Nights in the Forest script on your device. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. It's super crazy. I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this actually works, guys. Peace out.